It's Bianca with The Lasting Impression, and today I'm here to introduce you to our styling services and show you exactly how to order them. So the first step to order our services is to head to our website, yourstylematters.com. Once you get here, you'll see our homepage where you can get a little bit more information about our company and what we offer. There are two ways to order our services. The first way is to click Our Services on the top left, which will let you get a little bit more information about each service. The Style Essentials service is a monthly subscription including what you see here: a body type analysis, a personal vision board, recommended items to purchase, and style tips personalized for you. Our next service, called Style Me Once, comes with all the great benefits from the Style Essentials package, but is only a one-time service, meaning there's no subscription involved. Now, once you've decided which service you're interested in and are ready to order, you can click Buy Now here, or go back to the top and click Buy Now here. So as you can see, it will take you to a sign-up page where you can sign up with Facebook, Google, or email to get started booking your consultation and to keep track and manage your services. Once you've signed up, you're able to order the Style Essentials or Style Me Once service right here. Whether you are a new member or a returning member, this is where you come to schedule your styling consultation. Let's say you want to order the Style Essentials service. Once you click Schedule, you can pick when you want your first consultation to be at a time that works best for you. I'll give you an example. Here you can see the monthly schedule where you can choose which staff member you want to style you. Here are the available dates that you can choose as well. Once you choose one that works best for you, you'll be prompted with many different times to choose from. Let's say 7 p.m. works best for you. Once you click 7, everything else is scheduled for you. Hitting Next will finalize this process. Before confirming your appointment, we're going to ask for some basic information: your name, email, and phone number, which are important for us to get in touch with you. And that's it. You've scheduled your first consultation with us. As for next steps, you'll receive a confirmation email that looks like this, verifying your date, time, and stylist, as well as an invoice and a welcome email that includes the details of the service you provided and a new member survey so we can get some more information about your body type, style influences, style goals, and aspirations. Virtually, we will then personally meet with you to review your survey, to address your responses and learn more about your style goals and aspirations. The last step in your style service journey is to receive your styling game plan. In this game plan, you'll receive a body type analysis, a personal vision board, recommended items to purchase, and lastly, a style summary with tips personalized for you. And that's it. From beginning to end, in a few steps, you can book your consultation and change your style to suit your aspirations. We look forward to helping you leave a lasting impression.